here are the rules. You can pause the video and write that. I'm going to start with HCl. So you have a hydrogen 1 electron sitting on it, valence. And then chlorine has, we put the 4 and then up to 7, right? That's how we write it. So one unpaired, that will be paired with the hydrogen, making a covalent bond, the red dash, right? And also hydrogen gets a duet, it's called. And look at chlorine. The chlorine gets surrounding it 8 electrons. That's the purpose of making this bond. So it makes an octet, a full shell, that makes the HCl molecule quite stable, right? I mean chlorine. That's the HCl. Let's look at water. So oxygen is the center, right? And then you start with 4 corners and then up to 6 electrons. Now, there's 2 lone pairs and then 2 unpaired electrons. They're going to get hydrogens. Let's draw one hydrogen next to it. And then these shared electrons, oxygen and hydrogen, will make 2 bonds. They are covalent shared electrons, right? Now what we have done completion of the octet for oxygen, right? And count the 2 lone pairs 4 and 2 covalent bonds 4. And then the hydrogen also gets the duet, like I mentioned. Hydrogen is anomalous, okay? Now ammonia. Nitrogen, you start with the 4 corners and then there's 5 electrons because it's the 5th group of the family. So now you have 3 unpaired electrons. They will get 3 hydrogens like that, making 3 covalent bonds, single bonds, right? That's ammonia. And there's a lone pair sitting on the nitrogen, and also nitrogen gets the octet.